Looking for the next big crypto airdrops? I've got two amazing opportunities that can load up your wallet with free tokens. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about Agent 301. This project is shaking up the blockchain with advanced cybersecurity solutions, and they're rewarding early adopters with a major airdrop. To participate, simply head over to their official Telegram bot, complete a few tasks, and secure your tokens before their big listing. This could be the security-focused token that everyone talks about in 2024. Check the link below and don't miss your chance. Next up is Cats. This token is for crypto fans and NFT collectors alike. Not only does the Cats token come with airdrop rewards, but it's also tied to exclusive cat-themed NFTs that you can collect. The token is set to list on BitGet this month, and the airdrop is live right now. You can join through the link below and start claiming your rewards, with over 7.5 million holders and 9 million subscribers in their community. The hype around Cats is real. Both airdrops are still open, so click the links in the description to join. Make sure to like this video and hit subscribe if you want to catch more insider tips on crypto drops. And one last thing, if you want to secure more free tokens, don't forget to watch my video on the Tone Station airdrop. It's listing in less than 10 days. Check it out now and get in before it's too late.